भारताची अर्थव्यवस्था वयर काडपा खातीर भाजपा सरकारान घेतिल्ल्या उपायांचेर वरिष्ठ सांसद आनी राज्यसभा खासदार सुब्रमण्यम स्वामीन खर टिका केल्या। तशेंच ती जाग्यार घालपा खातीर ताणें स्वता 3 उपाय सुचयल्यात।
हिंदुत्ववादाचो पुनरुदय ह्या विशयाचेर व्याख्यान दिवपा खातीर सुब्रमण्यम स्वामीक शिव साम्राज्य हे संस्थेन आयतारा मडगांवां आपयिल्लो। भारतांत हिंदू राष्ट्र आयिल्लें आसा, तें वेगळें घोशीत करपाची गरज ना अशें ताणें आपल्या व्याख्यानांत सांगलें। उपरांत जाल्ल्या प्रश्नोत्तरा वेळार भारताची उदरगत 10% दरान जावपाक शकता आनी आमी चीना कडेन सर्त करपाक शकतात असोय विस्वास ताणें उक्तायलो। पळयात तो कितें म्हणटा तो।
Well, the economy's main problem, which our finance minister is not understanding, because she was probably educated at JNU, therefore she's not understanding. Our problem is a demand, lack of demand, not a lack of supply. This time this finance minister has given what 1,45,000 or some crores, 1,45,000 crores rupees as concession. With that money, what the industry is going to do? They produce more, nobody is going to buy. So therefore, how to push up the demand? That is the question. So first step, abolish income tax so that people have purchasing power. And income tax is useless. You see, poor people no income tax. Rich people have chartered accountants, so they get one exemption here, one deduction there, and so on. They hardly pay anything. It is only the middle class, young people starting startups, they are paying. Second, the rate of interest paid for fixed deposit of 5 years should be not less than 9%, so that people will save. And if they save, then there will be more money for investment. 3, the rate of interest charged by banks for loan shall not exceed 9% also. Because today they are charging 12%, 13%. So I'm saying only 9%. Lower the interest rates.
The competition between India and China, whether India can overtake China.
Yes, India can overtake China in 10 years if we grow at 10% per year for the next 10 years. Can we grow at 10% per year? Yes, if you can have a rate of savings equal to 38% of the GDP. Presently it is 30%. So give incentives to people to save more. And we should also ensure that agriculture starts exporting, because all our production, agriculture production internationally is the lowest price.
370 कलम रद्द करतकीर रोखडोच भारत पाकव्याप्त काश्मीराचो ताबो घेतलो असो विस्वासय ताणें उक्तायलो। तशेंच पाकिस्तानाची शकलां जावपाक जाय असो विचार ताणें मांडलो।
अभी तो हम 370 हटाए हैं, तुम्हें क्या जल्दी है? इसको थोड़ा अब पूरा ठीक होने दीजिए और हम रोज पाकिस्तान को चिढ़ाते रहेंगे और तो करना तो जरूरी है। और मैं आपको विश्वास दिलाता हूँ कि ये होगा और सफल होगा। लेकिन वहाँ क्यों रुके? पाकिस्तान का भी 4 टुकड़ा करना है। बलूची को अलग करो, पख्तूनिस को अलग करो, सिंध को अलग करो और जो शेष पंजाब है वो पाकिस्तान रह सकता है। तो पाकिस्तान को तो मिटाना है।
मडगांवच्यान आमचो खबराकार संदीप तुयेंकार।